Hello, everyone, and welcome to Natural Mamas. My name is Bethany. I am a registered nurse, former OB nurse. You guys, I have seen lots of deliveries, lots of births, and I have had my own baby naturally, successfully. Was able to have a water birth, which was an incredible experience. And my goal is just to share that with you guys. So, obviously, you have found my video because you were searching on how to have a baby naturally, right? You're wanting to learn everything you can about pregnancy and your labor and delivery. You guys, I'm so thrilled that you have stumbled upon my video, either by chance or by choice. Either way, I'm so glad that you have found it. It is really my passion to help other moms get through their pregnancy, do labor, do delivery naturally, and really just have this be an empowering experience. That's what it's meant to be. My goal and my hope is just to empower every single woman that watches this video and does my program, to empower them knowing that yes, my body can do this. God designed my body to do this naturally. I mean, there's nothing better than that, than knowing that our body can do it by itself. And that's the best thing. So I really want to prepare everyone for what does this process look like. Okay, so in my program, there are several videos. Okay, we're going to talk about from the beginning to I just found out I'm pregnant. What do I do? How do I find a doctor or a midwife? What does that look like? I'm going to talk about your first trimester, second trimester, third trimester. What's going to be happening at those doctor's appointments, different medical things that you're going to be faced with, and decisions that you have to make. And I tell you that there are other options. There are natural ways to do things other than what the medical process is at the regular doctors. Okay, so I'm going to share that information with you. I'm going to talk to you about what's happening with your baby in each of those trimesters, what you as the mom will be feeling and experiencing, just to give you a little insight on what the whole pregnancy process really does look like. We're then going to talk about what to expect when you arrive at the hospital. What does labor look like? How do you know when to go to the hospital? For all the stages in labor and delivery to then postpartum, the start of having that bundle of joy in your arms, okay? It is my passion and my goal to have you women feel confident and empowered, okay, during your pregnancy, labor, and delivery. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed, helpless, and scared, which are very, very common feelings that women do experience, okay? It is normal, but I want to teach you guys that mindset is everything, okay? You determine how you are going to experience this birth. And I'm going to walk you through step-by-step processes to learn how to train your mind to know that, yes, I can do this and that I want to do this, okay? And I want a good experience. I will train you guys how to do that because mindset is everything. And I'm going to talk to you guys about avoiding what I like to call the snowball effect of labor and delivery. So there are so many things that lead up to what can turn into an emergency C-section. Okay, lots of moms go in, have a plan, they want this to be done and this, and they get to the hospital and medical interventions get put into place, and there they are winding up having a C-section. How do you avoid that? I'm going to explain that to you guys. I'm going to walk you through step by step, like I said, on how to avoid that snowball effect of labor. Who will benefit from this plan? Everyone. If you just found out you're pregnant, you will benefit from this. If you are 7 months pregnant, you will benefit from this. You guys, there's information for first-time moms. There's information for 4th, 5th, 6th-time moms. And really just teaching you how to control your thinking and having that positive mindset and learning your natural options. You don't always have to do medical interventions. You don't always have to do what the doctor recommends, okay? There are other options, and I want to make that clear to you guys. Really, my goal for this is to inform you guys of your options and things that you can do and choose to do on your own instead of taking the medical side of things when not really necessary. I'm going to cover a lot of different natural information, tips, tricks, and inform you of all of like the medical decisions that you will be faced with during your pregnancy, labor, and delivery. There's a lot of information to go over, a lot of interventions that they might want to try and do in the clinic, in the hospital. And I just want to really show you guys that you do have options, and I want to explain those to you. Okay, so that was what I will do in this program. So this program that I have come up with is Natural Mamas. I have a lot of videos that I have recorded through Just Find Out You're Pregnant to postpartum. I have a free birth plan that I have made up that will be free to you guys to utilize, to print off, fill out with your significant other, take to the hospital. That way your midwife, your doctor, your nurses, everyone who's taking care of you knows and your preferences on what you want to happen on that special day. So this program costs $39.99, okay? That's it, a one-time fee, and you have access to all of that information. Lots of other programs are $200, $300, $400. I looked into them myself, and that's outrageous. So I chose to have it be $39.99 because it really is my passion to be able to help other moms and to go through it. I went through it. I want to walk through it with you guys. I want to answer questions. I want to do more videos on what you want. I want this to be a good, empowering, and just exciting experience, okay? It doesn't need to be anything less than that. This program really is a safe place. I give you access to groups that you can communicate with other moms who are going through the same thing. It is a safe place to come, chit chat, get your questions answered, and really feel excited and empowered about your birth. So, if this interests you at all, I highly recommend trying the course. Like I said, you can watch what videos you want. You don't have to watch all of them. Start where you're at and what works for you. Below, there is a link. Click that. That'll take you to my website. You can read up some more information, watch another video, and make that decision if you would like to start the journey of this course of Natural Mamas.